What's going on, guys? Cody with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning into the channel. And guys, today we are saying goodbye to the stock block D16 that has put up with Boost for about a year now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump straight into it. I'm gonna show you our goodbye to the D16, and afterwards, if you guys want to stick around, I'll kind of walk through what we're doing, show you some behind the scenes of the build series that we're gonna be doing, and kind of go from there. So let's just jump straight into full sending the D series, saying goodbye.
Oh, we got the one side.
The camera didn't get it.
Oh, we only bro.
That's how you say goodbye to a motor. Yeah, we one wheel peeled. It's not an LSD, what can we do? Hoping to have an LSD in the car once it's built, but probably when we first put it together it might not. So right now, as the car sits, I actually just finished taking off the head. So right now this is how the engine bay is looking. Beautiful. Have everything taken apart. I have the head here. I'm gonna be testing and making sure it's okay to reuse. Should be fine. It looks pretty straight. I ghetto straight edged it before filming, and to the naked eye it looks pretty straight. I'm gonna get an actual like straight edge and just verify, because then it might just need just a little cleaning. You'll see the head more in depth when we put it back together and when we take it apart in the actual series. For the build series, pretty much I wouldn't really call it a build series. I'm just gonna walk you guys through me taking apart this engine, putting together the other one. It's not really gonna be tutorials, it's more gonna be just like vibe with me while I'm building the motor. If you guys have any questions, I'm willing to answer it. I have the Vitara sitting right here. All nice. Get the fuck out of here. I have the Vitara sitting right here, all nice and under wraps. Once we start getting a little bit more pieces coming together, we're gonna start putting this and assembling the top end, getting everything on it. And then once this motor is done, then we're gonna come over here and we're ripping this boy out and then putting it in. So it's not gonna be too crazy a build series. It might be a couple videos. I don't want to string it out and make it like 10 videos for something that can really be done in a day. Honestly, the reason it's to be strung out a little bit is because I'm not doing it all in a day. I am kind of spacing it out for my sanity. If you have any questions on how the car was for the past year, let me know. Feel free to ask anything you need, whether on here or on Instagram, and I'm willing to answer, help you guys out. And if you have any questions on the Vitara build here and moving forward, feel free to let me know. I will be tuning it myself. Once I get everything together, everything I want done to it before actually making big power, we're going to take it to the dyno. I'm going to tune it, gonna make some power. It's going to be a good time. So if you guys want to vibe with us, you guys want to build a single cam just like the old days, subscribe, take a look, see what you like. So I'm going to call it for today. I got to start editing the video for next week. So see you guys next week.